So we have 6 acceleration sensor here. This is very small wire sensor, 32 by 25 millimeter, and there's a Bluetooth chip on here, and acceleration sensor in the middle. It's a small one, and we can use the transducer for of a PSA 21 to connect the 350 ohm strain gauge, and this one connect to the wireless board, same as this board, through the SPI. And from this application of Android, we already connect the those 8 sensors here. So once you click the address, you can select which one will be operated. Okay, then it comes to the start multiple button, so you just click it, and you can select the monitor interval as a second. So right now it's a 1 second, and start. Oh. Okay, so the graph is coming up. Something more. This is the mode to operate only one device. So yeah, this guy is connected to the Android and presenting the acceleration data like this. So if you rotate the device, the data is changing. So every 1 second, the device sends the data wirelessly, and this application shows the graph. So you can stop like this and back to the scan mode. So next, the strain gauge sensor. So as same as the acceleration, you can set the monitor interval and start. So the graph is coming up here. Yeah, if you touch the strain gauge, the graph is changing dynamically. Once you stay there, it shows the stable data like this. Okay. We are improving the user interface right now, so it is a little bit inconvenient to control the this app right now. We can solve this issue soon. Okay, let's connect the two. Yeah, we are connecting 5 devices on the same time, so it shows the data. So I pick up the one device, so the graph is changing only one line. I pick up the other one, show the other one's data is changing. Okay, try the another one. So another one coming up here. So it's the orange line. Yeah. So the as your application, you can use this feature to fit your application. So let's try the strain sensor. Okay, we have a 2 strain sensor here. So select the 2 device and set multiple. Okay. So one data here is a purple and the other data in a blue. So 2 strain gauge is connected together. Okay, let's try the so if I touch the this strain gauge, the purple line is changing drastically. Yeah, if I so it stays down to the stable value. Let's try the other strain gauge. If I bend it, this blue line is changing. Okay, so you can see that this strain is transmitted wirelessly to the application.